Hi.
Jade's and Krista's YouTube channel, and we're doing the Halloween makeup challenge.
Hi.
And she's going first. Plus, it's going to be Halloween because it's almost Halloween. Plus, it's epic.
Okay, I need this thing. Okay. So I already got my blindfold on because it takes too much time.
50,000 hours.
Okay. Okay, what's this? What time is it?
It's the thing you follow the road.
Okay. I can see at the bottom. I don't really see it. Okay.
I think that's okay. That's the eyes.
Am I touching you? Am I touching you?
Yeah, you're touching me. Are you touching me? Are you touching me? Oh, what the frick?
What? I'm not supposed to see it.
I have a horrible laugh. That's okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, and try to get the white in here because if you don't, then.
Do you know Tyler, that little kid you were talking about?
Yeah. Okay. So you want to use the white stuff because it just looks good. Okay. And then just like put it in the corner of their eye and like try to blend it out. White. Right here. Right here. I'm sorry. Ew.
What? They're nice.
Come here.
Right here. You're like, I said you a foundation thing. You're putting too much. I looked in the mirror and I look like a drag queen. What? You should need some. You need some right here. You need some right here. Right here. Right here.
I'm blindfolded.
Like, I can do it. I'm blindfolded.
Did I get anything? Look at me.
That's all I
Okay, so now I just take. Did I just like that?
No.
Okay. Okay, I need the white. Just the white, no?
Yes. No. Yes.
And then.
You've been doing too much white.
Okay, now look at me. Okay, I click it.
Yeah. You just like it, just like blend it in.
And then just put it on you. Just kidding. What? Come here.
I'm right here. I'm right here. Ah! You put on my nose. You put on my nose.
Am I getting your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, it has to tell me. Okay, now we need some more foundation. Some eyeshadow. It's going to be purple. And then open this one. This the one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to rub it in together. And not what I want.
You look like you're just like, see, like, put it on your face.
Where's the eyeshadow?
Hey,
What?
I put salt and pepper in it.
I don't care.
Okay.
Are you sure? Some people are allergic to that stuff.
Me? No.
I'm allergic.
What's that?
I'm allergic.
I want some allergic.
No.
Nigga, you looking.
I'm making you eggs.
That's our servant.
Yeah, that's our maid. He's a girl. Okay, so. No, don't. Okay, and then there's the eye. This one.
What if these seeds had egg yolk in it? A black. Number one movie.
I hope I got it in there. Did I?
Yeah. That's bad.
I'm gonna get it.
No. Yes.
Can I see you in there? Close your mouth. I wonder what you look like. And
Don't
then
say exactly,
you gotta
don't
let
you?
it to put it halfway down. Can you see?
Yes, they can.
And then just like put it down there for it doesn't like if someone says, "Hey, you got foundation?" It's like no.
It's scary.
I got that from RTL Beauty 101. Watch it or subscribe. Subscribe. And then like contour your nose. Melissa, are you doing it? Okay, good. Okay. Then you just like keep contouring. Get the texture.
Oh.
Okay, now for the lip. Okay, do you want
Oh
Do
God.
you want a lipstick and then a lip gloss, or do you want a lipstick and a lip gloss instead?
I don't want a lip gloss. You're just like, okay.
It's this way. Yeah, this way. Hey, come here. I'm using it. Open your mouth. I could tell it got on your teeth because it was hard. Why are you getting it on me? You're pretty cool. What? What? Okay, now. Come here.
I don't want a lip gloss.
Yes.
I don't want a lip gloss.
What would you look like?
I was the drag kid, I already told you.
What ear? I can hear.
Ew.
What?
Ah, too much! Too much!
Too much! Holy crap.
Too much.
Sorry. Come here. Come here. Okay, now. Okay. Would you kiss me? Right, 1 to 10.
What's your 10? Put it in the comics. Goodbye.
Bye.
It's done.
I don't care.
Better go get them back.